Hey guys, thank you for tuning in again to my channel. This is Onyx Food Hill. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make easy chicken stir fry. This chicken stir fry is really going to be delicious and it pairs well with rice, with pasta. So stay tuned and watch this to the end. I have my chicken here, so I used 3 chicken thighs and I cut it into long strips like this. And to the chicken, I'm going to be adding in 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 crushed knorr cube, just a little bit of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to use a spoon to stir to coat the chicken with the cornstarch. And once the chicken is nicely coated, I'm just going to set it aside. I'll go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil to the pan. I'll go ahead and add in half a teaspoon of grated ginger and 3 minced garlic cloves, and I'll also add in half cup of chopped red onion. I'm going to be adding in my shredded chicken, and I'll just stir fry until the chicken starts to brown and cook through. After stir frying my chicken for 8 minutes, okay, it has cooked through. Next, I'm going to start bringing in my vegetables. So I'm going to go in with half cup of chopped carrots, 1 chopped red bell pepper, and 1 thinly sliced green bell pepper. I will also add in some green chili pepper and red chili pepper, and then I'm just going to stir this around. This chicken stir fry looks really colorful and it smells really great. Next, I'm just going to go in with 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. You can use tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. And also add in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar and a tablespoon of chopped spring onion. After this, I'm just going to give this a stir and make sure everything combines. You need to stir this intermittently, and also you can test for salt and adjust the pepper and the salt. At this point, I've cooked my chicken stir fry for 5 minutes and I'm happy with the taste and the aroma of this sauce, so I'll just go ahead and turn off heat. So guys, your chicken stir fry is ready. You can serve your chicken stir fry over rice. And I hope you love this delicious chicken stir fry. This is very easy to put together. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you love my video. Do remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell button. You can also share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, enjoy. Bye.